Welcome to this Oceansouth instructional video. Today we're going to walk you through the installation of the 3 Bow Bimini, step by step, so you can get it set up quickly and correctly. Start by unboxing all the components and laying everything out so you can familiarize yourself with each part before beginning the installation. Begin by assembling one of the Bimini uprights. Each pole is connected with a small screw. So remove the screws, slide the poles into their sockets, then tighten the screws again to secure them. Continue this process for each connection until the upright is fully assembled. Repeat the same steps with the opposite side components until both sides of the frame are fully assembled and secure. You should now have 2 mirrored uprights ready for the next stage of the assembly. Next, we're going to install the jaw slides onto the poles. Start by removing the grub screw and bolt with an Allen key. Then clip the jaw slide onto the bar, keeping it roughly parallel with the strap connection. Repeat the same process for the other assembly as well. Now it's time to connect the crossbars. There will be 6 components in this step, with each crossbar joining together using a pin lock mechanism. Connect each pair of poles to form 3 complete crossbars, making sure they all follow the same curved shape so the fabric will sit properly and remain taut. You've now assembled all the main components of the Bimini. Connect the crossbars to one side of the uprights using the same pin and lock mechanism. Make sure the curve follows an upward arc and then slopes back down so the frame sits correctly for the canopy. Flip the assembly upside down so it rests on the crossbars, making it easier to slip the canopy on. Lay the canopy flat with the underside facing up. Make sure it's oriented the correct way before sliding it onto the crossbars. Guide each crossbar into the correct sleeve so the canopy fits properly and aligns as intended. Now, carefully slide the canopy onto the crossbars, ensuring each one feeds smoothly through its sleeve. Once the canopy is in place, you can connect the other side of the assembly using the same pin and lock mechanism. Make sure both sides match in orientation so the frame sits evenly. Now moving on to installing the tube ends. These will serve as the main connection points to the boat, so it's important they're inserted correctly and aligned with the Bimini frame. Now that you've finished assembling the Bimini, it's time to take it out to your boat and get it installed. Make sure you spend some time deciding where you want to position the Bimini. Remember that it retracts down, so check that in the folded position it sits neatly at the back of the boat and does not interfere with the engine. Also be mindful of the orientation. The black straps should be positioned at the front, while the storage pocket sits at the back. Once you're happy with the position, use a marker to note where the tube inserts will sit so you have a clear guide for installation. Now grab your deck mounts and position them over your markings. Then mark the screw holes where you'll need to drill. These deck mounts taper inward, so make sure they're angled slightly inward when positioning them. Before drilling into your boat, always check the underside for any wiring, fuel lines, or other components. Make sure you're using the correct drill bit for your boat's material. Follow best practice to minimize the risk of unnecessary damage, then screw the deck mounts down firmly into position. The screws aren't included in this kit, as every boat is different and may require different mounting methods. You'll need to source suitable fasteners for your setup, and we recommend using stainless steel screws to help minimize corrosion. Measure the position of the first mount carefully and use those measurements to replicate it accurately on the opposite side. Remember to keep the taper angled inward. Once you're happy with the positioning, mark the location so you're ready to drill. Now, simply repeat the same steps, drilling the holes and securing the mount with screws once everything is properly aligned. Now, remove the screw using an Allen key so the mount is ready for the bimini. Then insert the bimini into the mount and reinsert the screw. Tighten it securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent any damage to the components. After mounting the bimini, lay it down flat so you can install the rear support poles into the jaw slides fitted earlier. Loosen the screw with an Allen key, insert the rear support poles, then retighten to secure them. Repeat this on the other side. Repeat this process on the other side to ensure both rear support poles are securely installed. Now it's time to locate where you'll install the rear support pole deck mounts. These will use the same tube end insert piece as before. Find the best position, then mark the drill holes so you're ready for installation. Find the best position, mark the drill holes, drill carefully, and secure the mounts using the deck screws. Now loosen the screw, insert the rear support pole into position, then reinsert the screw and tighten it to secure the connection. Now take a measurement so you can match the mounting position on the other side. Once you're happy with the placement, simply repeat the same steps to complete the installation. Now that the deck mounts are in place, it's time to secure the tube ends. Simply drill a small hole in the support pole that lines up with the hole in the tube end so it can be fastened securely. Repeat this step for each pole. There should be 4 tube ends in total, including the main mounting points. Now that the support poles are installed, it's time to secure the knuckles to prevent any sliding. Simply drill a small hole through the knuckle into the pole, then fasten it in place using the grub screw. Now for the final part of the installation, fitting the saddles for the front straps. These provide the attachment point for the straps and help keep your bimini taut and stable even at higher speeds. The straps are adjustable, so avoid mounting the saddles too far away, as you'll want enough slack to easily tighten and loosen them when needed. The mounting process is the same as the deck mounts. Simply drill the holes, then screw the saddles securely into place. Now take a measurement and transfer it to the other side of your boat so you can match the mounting position accurately. Then drill the holes and secure the fitting with screws to complete the installation on that side. The straps will clip straight on, giving you a secure and adjustable connection. Now tighten the straps evenly so the bimini sits nicely and remains stable and secure. Awesome job! Your bimini is now fully installed and ready for the open water. Remember, if you ever need to fold it down, simply unclip the front straps and let the bimini retract. You can then pull the cover out from the rear pocket and wrap it over the bimini to keep it protected and neatly out of the way. Then, when the sun's out and you need your shade back, simply unfold the bimini, clip the straps back on, tighten them evenly, and you're all set for another day out on the water. Thanks for watching this instructional video. We hope it helped you install your new Oceansouth 3-bow bimini. Have a great time out on the water, with Oceansouth keeping you covered.